first program we're going to use is SweetHome3D. It's a 3D modeling program that's pretty easy to use, so we'll start there. So go to SweetHome3D.com and download. And on this page you can have links to other pages, SourceForge, wherever. There's also libraries in that, texture libraries, furniture editor, texture editor, stuff like that. We'll get to that in a little bit. So once it's downloaded and you install, it'll open up in a window like this. So to start drawing a room, for example, the first thing you do is start drawing the walls. So click on walls up here, start at like 0, 0, hold the left mouse button down and drag to the size you want. We'll say 24 feet. And then let go of the mouse button and click to create the wall. And we'll say 18 feet. Left click again to make that wall. And as you move over, you'll notice a line jump up. That's back to our origin. Left click again. Double click to end it. And if you look down here, now we have a room designed with those dimensions. Now you can add a floor if you want by coming here to where it says create rooms. Click on that button. Go to the corner, left click, left click, left click, double click. We got a room now. So we're going to go in and we're going to texture the floor. We're going to go up here and we're going to select the floor, and it'll give you, you can actually put a name in. We'll actually call it something. Room 1. And we're actually going to put a texture in. Now there's some that are built into SweetHome3D whenever you download it. So we click on the texture radio button, come over here and click on this. Now it'll come up and we can filter it. We'll say floor, for example. It'll show us all the different kind of floors we can have. We'll do beige tiles for now. Click OK. We can actually make the floor shiny. Click on shiny, click OK, and there's what our floor looks like. And we can actually go in and we can actually do rendering and see what it's going to look like. Create, and we'll draw a 3D model of the floor. Now what you can actually do is you can actually add doors and windows and stuff like that. So we'll come in here and we'll just grab a door. And if you mouse over some of the objects, you'll see that it actually shows a little picture of it. So we'll left click, we'll grab that door, hold the mouse button down, and drag that door to wherever we want it. Now if we want to flip the door over, we can simply double click on the object. And we can come down here to mirrored shape, and OK, and it changed that door shape to this. Double click on it again, and if you notice there's parameters, you can actually put the size of the door. Say we want I don't know, 24-inch door. Put 24-inch and then click OK. You can see the door got really small. So we'll go back, we'll make it a 3-foot door. You can put 36 inches, or you can put 3 feet. Okay. Now double click on it again. We can actually change the color of the door if we wanted. If we wanted to make the door blue, click OK. You can actually see it's a blue door. Or you can go in and you can texture. If you click on the radio texture button, click on this and it'll browse the textures. And we'll say wood. We'll filter it. Oops. We'll filter the wood. Yeah. And we'll say just something different. Oak. OK. Click OK. Now we have an oak door. Now when you're on the bottom view window, you can actually roll the mouse in and out to get different views. And there's different cameras in that, and we'll get to that in a bit. Now what you can do is you can actually come in and grab furniture too. Say it's a living room. We're going to add, we'll say a sofa with 3 seats. We'll put that here. We'll grab one with 2 seats. We'll put it over here. And if you notice, when you get close to the wall, it'll actually put it up against the wall. And it'll give you dimensions of where it's actually located. Again, you can double click on any object, open it up. You can change the colors if you want. You can change the textures if you want. Whatever you want to do. You can rotate it. You can do different things through here. You can bring it up here, and whenever you have furniture, you can grab this handle and you can spin it. You can actually come in here and scale it any way you want. I might grab that with the Control Z to get back, and we have that. You can bring in steel shelves, whatever you want to do, and you can move it around. So that's the nickel tour of SweetHome3D.